Welcome to Daily CoinCu Crypto News. Here are today's headlines. Rarible introduces toll-free NFT embossing. Ghana discovers offline offers for the upcoming CBDC. Murex introduces DeFi mutual fund model for private investors. Indonesia is leading the way in increasing global interest in cryptocurrencies. Blockchain brings the sharing economy to real estate investments. Now let's dive into the details of these. Rarible introduces toll-free NFT embossing. NFT Rarible Marketplace has introduced a new feature called lazy minting that promises users the ability to create unusable tokens for free, while improving the sustainability environment on the platform. Instead of the traditional method of storing data on the blockchain immediately after it is imprinted, Rarible announced on Monday that, under its new scheme, NFTs are imprinted not at the time of creation, but rather at the time of creation to buy. It is the buyer who pays for the gasoline when they buy this item. In this case, the data is stored on a decentralized peer-to-peer storage system called IPFS. Ghana discovers offline offers for the upcoming CBDC. Ghana is working to develop offline capabilities for its upcoming central bank digital currency, CBDC, to encourage its use in all segments of Ghanaian society. According to a Bloomberg report by Kwame Apong, head of fintech and innovation at Bank of Ghana, BOG, the country's digital currency ECD will support offline transactions during the Ghana Economic Forum on Monday, stressing that the offline functionality will allow Ghanaians who do not have access to electricity and reliable internet connections to access the country's CBDC, Apong stated. ECD can also be used in an offline environment via some smart cards. Murex introduces DeFi mutual fund model for private investors. The new offer enables investors to diversify their portfolio of assets on a wide range of high-performance decentralized financial, or DeFi systems, as well as unusable tokens, or NFTs. The suitable financial model promotes risk allocation in what is generally considered a volatile market, and allows investors to bet on the value proposition of the sector as a whole rather than the individual potential of a single asset. The basket of support is also rebalanced monthly to recalculate the risks and opportunities for investors. Indonesia is leading the way in increasing global interest in cryptocurrencies. According to new data, countries like Indonesia and Chile have seen a significant surge of public interest in cryptocurrencies, electronic like Bitcoin, BTC, amid the continued global adoption of cryptocurrencies. 15 report by Australian blockchain education startup Coinformant, Indonesia leads the world in crypto interest dynamics in 2021. Blockchain brings the sharing economy to real estate investments. The segmented ownership of buildings and real estate developments is becoming one of the application areas of blockchain technology in the real estate industry. From democratizing access to real estate investments to improving liquidity in the market, there are arguments for tokenization as being positive for the real estate space. Tokenization through fractional real estate investment is another example of an emerging sharing economy that appears to be promoting crowdfunding ownership, a trend that could contribute to the decentralization of global asset markets across multiple sectors.